take number 3 on doing this. Every time I would get clear to the end here, my car player would pick up and attach to Bluetooth. That's crazy. Anyway, update. Red beets, yellow beets, lettuce, beefy tomatoes will go in the ground this weekend after the 29-degree morning. Round 2 is sunflowers. Rainbow mix is doing good. Horizon, yeah, it's starting to come up. Gomphrena going. Gomphrena going. First round of sunflowers. Crappy germination, but we'll take what we can get. Swiss chard doing great. This is supposed to be bunching onions. Not so good. Get some fresh seed. Marigolds looking fantastic. We've got orange, yellow, white. Status. Dahlias. First set of true leaves. Yarrow making its appearance. Tiny. Tiny, tiny. Some more status. Jeez, oh Pete, long day. Strawflower looking great. Miscellaneous perennials looking great. Will go in the ground after this cold snap. Zucchini, cucumbers, fantastic. After cold snap, they'll go in the high tunnels. Kohlrabi. I thought I planted this as lettuce, and I'm kind of going, oh crap, I need to start some kohlrabi. Oh crap, there's the kohlrabi. Golly. Oh, this bed has done so much, far exceeded my expectations. I'm super happy. I have room for probably 8 more trays, but all these trays will be shifting in and out once I get going on planting them. Super happy. Yeah, on the kohlrabi. So, I'm going to be away for a little bit in the next few days. But I'll post when I start planting. I'm starting to get excited. And, yay, here comes the market days. Hopefully, I'll start a market May 1st. I will have flowers. I'm not sure how much produce I'll have yet. Reminder, I work a full-time job, so I can only do what I can do. So, we'll get you produce, we'll get you flowers. Mother's Day flowers are for sure going to be there. And the peonies are looking great. Fingers crossed, peony Mother's Day bouquets. I hope you have a good rest of the day. We'll see you in a few days.